Volvo Car Corporation is the first car manufacturer in the world to start production of a plug-in hybrid car with a diesel-electric drivetrain. We're at the state-of-the-art car plant in Gothenburg to see the first car roll off the production line.
It's of course a big pride I have to drive this first car off the line, which is the first plug-in diesel hybrid, the most advanced technology in the world, produced in this wonderful advanced facility. Is really great.
A unique pre-station is built in the body shop, where a regular V60 floor is modified to harbour the extra components of the plug-in hybrid car. Once the floor is modified, it's sent back into the normal flow. To be able to incorporate the production of the plug-in hybrid into the regular production flow, a number of new unique stations had to be developed and built in along the line.
This is a new station, but as you see here, it's integrated with the other ordinary stations. So we only take one particular part of this line here for this unique operation. What we see here is the assembly of what we call the inverter.
To mount the electrical engine, the team managed to modify an existing station, normally used to mount the end gear in the traditional four-wheel driven cars.
It's unique in industry. We are building our electric vehicles and our plug-in hybrid vehicles on the main line. No difference versus a regular designed engine car and a plug-in hybrid. Both go down the same track, the same line, and with that we have a high degree of integration.
Before the underbody reaches the marriage point, the electrical connections and the cooling system connections between the front and the rear of the car are being mounted.
This is the marriage point where we do the marriage between the underbody parts and the body.
We take this unique compact hybrid battery that we have developed, we prepare it, and now you see that they put in this battery with precision in only, I think the station time is 45 seconds.
The high voltage system is thoroughly tested before the main fuse is mounted, making the electric drivetrain fully operational.
To be sure that this course is safe for the operator and to be able to start up the high voltage system in the end of the line.
A new kind of car sees the light of day as it rolls off the production line using only the electric engine.
It's really a great feeling to see the car rolling off now tonight as a normal car in the normal flow.
We are absolutely convinced it will be a hit, and we have a proof already, because the first year of production is already sold out. I mean, this is the best proof of having a desired product, isn't it?
är det för någonting ni gör?
Kan du pedala bak?
Nu är det klart. Det bara slänger upp det.